digital photography and imaging. So the mindset of this, the ideas of this, right? In any form of design fundamentals, what is the most important elements is composition, okay? So that's why we practice in real life, using your hand first, right? So we want to make this fun, not just to submit to get marks, but you can put on your online platform. You can put on your Instagram. So that's why we want to teach you to think, not just design. We want you to develop something that is conceptual, that is something have a meaning. This is what we want to approach. We want you to make use the current technology, the technologies that you are using, okay? So you are creating content not just for the subject, but you're creating content for your own platform. You mentioned, okay, frankly, my learning process over the semester is quite amazing, but the way I deal this module is more fascinates more.